Mom, I bought the laddus.
Great son. How much did it cost?
1 kilogram laddus for 300 rupees.
Are you crazy? Don't you know the market prices? You bought 1 kilogram laddus for 300 rupees, which actually worth 200 rupees. Haven't you checked the other shops?
Mom, why should I check every shop to buy 1 kilogram laddus? It feels embarrassing to ask the prices at every shop. I'm sorry, Mom.
It's okay, dear, but from next time be aware of the price.
I wish I could have an app giving me all the information about the prices and the quality of all products of local shops. Don't you know about the ROMY app? Here, you will get all the local shops with the prices and quality assurance of all the products. So now, you can compare the prices, sitting at one place, and then proceed. Wow! That's so good! ROMY app, just sit, click on the app, compare the prices, and proceed. You would definitely save some money.